Korean in 30 days challenge. So far, I've been doing quite well. Until now, I had to tackle with no grammar rules, only pronunciation and writing Hangul, that is the native Korean script. Starting today, things are getting slightly more complicated. I'll be dealing with basic sentences and the underlying rules, that is to say, the subject particles and the object particles. So, without further ado, let's dig right into it. Basic Korean sentences are ordered as follows: subject plus verb or subject plus object plus verb. Subject plus verb example. um, 아이가 잡니다. Child is sleeping. Or 아이가 갑니다. The child goes. And then examples of subject plus object plus verb sentences. 제임스가 빵을 먹습니다. So James is eating bread. One more time. 제임스가 빵을 먹습니다. Or 제임스가 바나나를 먹습니다. 제임스가 is eating a banana. Sometimes the order of the subject and the object may be reversed, but you can still tell which is which by the grammatical particles that come immediately after each. So, example, 빵을 제임스가 먹습니다. Instead of 제임스가 빵을 먹습니다. It's the same sentence. So the basic rule for subjects is that they are immediately followed by the subject particle, either e or ga, while objects are immediately followed by the object particles ul and rul. E is used after if the final letter in the word is a vowel. And no, so if the consonant ends in a if the subject ends in a consonant, then we use the subject particle e, and if not, we use ga. Examples: 학생, g is the consonant, so we add e, 학생이. Or 선생님, m is a consonant, so we add e, 선생님이, 선생님이. But if the subject ends in a vowel, then we add ga. Let's see. James, James가, 아이가. All right, and the same rule goes for ul or ul. If the object ends with a consonant, we add ul, the object particle ul, and if the object ends with a vowel, we add rul. Okay, examples. 빵, bread. We add ul, 빵을. 과일, a fruit. 과일을. 우유 ends, so the object ends with a vowel. 우유, we add 를, 우유를. Milk, the milk. 사과, apple, 사과를. Easy. All right, so Korean verbs and adjectives are conjugated to express the tense, honorific, specific, and causativity. All right, the dictionary form, the basic form is ends always with a da. Kada equals the English to infinitive. So to go, kada. All right, or kamnida, the honorific form. 가십니다, 가십니다, or 갔습니다, past tense. And now for some practice. Exercise 1. Choose the correct particle for each word. 학생. So the subject particle would be 학생이. I ends with a vowel. 아이가. 밥, rice, would be 밥을. First one. 선생님, 선생님이. 선생님, 선생님이. 포도, 포도, 포도. Okay, it's a vowel, and then we say 포도를, the grapes. 우유, milk, 우유, 우유, ends with a vowel, the word ends with a vowel, so we say 우유를, the second one, 우유를. 포도, 포도를, 우유, 우유를. All right? We go on. Look at the pictures and write the words in the correct order. 잡니다. Okay. All right. So James is sleeping. James가 잡니다. James가 잡니다. So James is sleeping. James is asleep. All right. Then we have 민수가 우유를 마십니다. Minsu is drinking, or Minsu drinks milk. 민수가 우유를 마십니다. Then let's see. Okay, 책을, the book, 읽습니다. Read. 학생은 책을 읽습니다. The student reads the book. 학생을, S-O-V. So 학생이 책을 읽습니다. 학생이 책을 읽습니다. And then we have SOV, 어머니가, the mother, 텔레비전을 봅니다. Okay, so mom is watching TV. 어머니가 텔레비전을 봅니다. 어머니가 텔레비전을 봅니다. 어머니가 텔레비전을 봅니다. And now for some greetings. What are the more frequent ways Koreans greet each other? Okay, the first person says something, greets the second person, and let's see the reply. So, 안녕하세요, hello. 안녕하세요, hello, the same. 안녕히 가세요, goodbye. Go in peace. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye. Stay in peace. All right, so one person is leaving, the other one is staying behind. All right, and then we have 감사합니다. 감사합니다. 천만에요. 천만에요. So thank you and you're welcome. 감사합니다. 천만에요. All right, and then saying sorry. 미안합니다. 미안합니다. 괜찮습니다. I'm sorry, that's all right. 미안합니다. 괜찮습니다. So, 여보세요? Answering on the phone. 여보세요? 여보세요? Okay. 실례합니다. 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 So, if we want to use a dictionary, we need to know the order of the consonants and vowels, and here it is. The consonants have the following order in dictionaries: k, k, n, t, t, lm, p, p, s, s, o, ch, 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 k, t, p, hyot. Okay, and then the vowels are ya, ye, o, e, yo, ye, o, wa, we, yo, wa, we, you, e. All right, and let's see some practice. So arrange the following in the dictionary order. Example: papal, mal, mat, ot would be pal, mat, mal, mat, pal, pap, ot. Okay. Then we have moja, quail, il, shiger. That would be good first. Quail, moja, shiger, ip. All right. Zhonghua, Sengson, Ai, Kawi. So that would be Kawi, the scissors. Kawi, Sengson, Ai, and Zhonghua. Then we have Pal, leg, Ankyong, glasses, Ke, dog, and Uyu, milk. So then it would be Ke, Pal, Ankyong, and Uyu. All right. Then Tweji, pig, Ke, this would be Podo, grapes, and Pinot, the soap. So I think it's this one. Ke, Pinot, Ke, Tweji, Pinot, and Podo. All right. Let's find the following words in a dictionary and write their meaning. Hangbok, happiness. Josue, we learned this one. Key, coal, mirror, and undong, sports. And to complete today's lesson, I'm going to take this quiz. Let's see. Choose the correct subject and object particles. Uh, 왕핑이 텔레비전을 봅니다. So 왕핑 is watches TV. 수지가 사과를 좋아합니다. So 수지가 likes apples. 제임스가 커피를 마십니다. James drinks coffee. 제임스가 커피를 마십니다. 아이가 아이스크림을 먹습니다. So the child eats ice cream. 아이스크림을 먹습니다. Exercise 2.
Quiz. Number 2. Listen, then fill in the blanks. 1,
학생이 책을 읽습니다. 민수가 밥을 먹습니다.
3,
아이가 우유를 마십니다.
4,
선생님이 과일을 좋아합니다.
So one was 학생이 책을 읽습니다. The student reads the book. 민수가 사과를 먹습니다. 민수가 is eating an apple. 아이가 우유를 마십니다. The child drinks milk. And 제임스가 과일을 좋아합니다. So James likes fruit. So choose the proper response. 안녕하세요. We reply with 안녕하세요. 안녕히 가세요. No, 안녕히 계세요. So somebody is leaving. 안녕히 가세요. Okay, and then we have number 3. 감사합니다. You're welcome. 천만에요. Got you. And this concludes day 5 of the Learn Korean in 30 Days challenge. Tell me in the comments section what your favorite method to learn a foreign language is. Do you think there's a better and faster method which I should use instead of the method I am currently using? Well, for the moment being, I'm super happy with my progress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next episode, which is tomorrow.